Hello, my people. So, nageze ku mugezi witwa Rukarara. Nk'uko mubireba, ni umugezi mwiza cyane. One of the rivers which are considered the source of Nile River. The Nile River, you all know, is the longest in Africa, right? Well, I'm not a historian or umuntu wa geography, ariko you can check more information. So the place is beautiful. Ni mu Rwanda, murabona ukuntu ari mwiza cyane, nahanyuze ndi mu kazi ndavuga reka I have to record and I show it to you. It is so beautiful. That was me. Ni heza cyane, ngo ino soko ituruka muri Nyungwe, muri Kamiranzovu. Mwabibonye mu cyapa, kuri icyo cyapa cyanditse aho ngaho. So the place is so beautiful. That was me. So it is considered one of the rivers considered as the source of Nile River in Egypt. So yeah, you see, it is kind of black. That's why maybe it is called Rukarara. So it is located in Nyamagabe. It is in South Province of Rwanda, Nyamagabe district. The sector, if it is what? Nari mu nzira, like it's not, I did not specify it. You can check, but you pass by Gasarenda and we're heading to Gatare sector. So it is in the way, and it is nearby Kibirizi sector as well. So the place is so beautiful. One of rivers considered to be the source of Nile, and most distant